Hey everybody, I want to show you the dried painting from video 392. This was the redo of the commission piece and I am totally in love with it. Look at those giant, just free loopy cells. I love it. It's the first one was way more controlled looking and I like the freedom of this one. And then this one, I just keep here on the floor because I love looking at it. I can't get enough of looking at it. I love it. So I'm now going to bring you over here. And I'm going to do a big version of this little painting that I did on the last video. What is that? 392? What did I say? 392? I think 393. That would be it. 393. And this painting turned out so cool. It was just kind of on a, not on a whim that I painted it, but I use these colors. These are all self-mixed colors. And I had no idea that I was going to do a whole coverage of a canvas. Usually I don't. Usually there's white spots. And these lines, I am just so totally in love with this. I love it. It's on a level 2 canvas. And it is an 8x8 canvas. So I am just super psyched with it. And it will be for sale, so if you are interested, shoot me a message. I'm like, what's the right word for that? And I'm hoping to recreate that on this 10x20. Recreations are near impossible, but it's not going to stop me from trying. And I just, even though I did that one last night, I rewatched the video of it before I started this one, so to remember what I did exactly and to see exactly how much paint I used. And I used a 1 ounce cup and I had it filled about half, so and this is like 2.5 times larger, so I'm going to use a 2 ounce cup but not fill it all the way. Because this is 10x20, plus it has the deeper edges. Get these lids off here. So this is a mix of vermilion and some form of red. And this, I believe, is a mix of gold, metallic gold by Grumbacher, and Naples yellow. And then this one, hang on if I can get the lid. This is neon pink, Artist Loft neon pink, and I believe Liquitex Basic magenta. Deep magenta maybe, I'm not sure. And I have absolutely no idea what is in this blue, but I am guessing there's quite a few different colors in that. Oh my goodness, what just happened? Ah, we lost light. Let me see how dark it is, if you can still see well. Well, it is dark, but we'll make a go at it. I don't even have, oh wait, I do have a light bulb, but it's a teeny light bulb, so I don't think it'll work. Technical difficulties. I'm guessing this won't do anything, but we'll see. Now, all right, we're just just gonna have to go with it like this. That was one of these big mammoth bulbs, which did not last very long at all. All right. Now we're just gonna be a little bit in the dark. I think I'm going to at least move this so that more light from the other side of the room comes in. All right. Sorry about that. I've never liked those lights anyways. I got like the photo, you know, with the big umbrella thingies, and they don't make me quite happy. I thought they would help taking pictures and stuff, but I don't like them. Previously, I was just using like those $10 upright lights from like Walmart, and I think I like those better. And actually, I know, I wish that, I wish I had these things planned better before. Like I wish I'd known that this light was going to go out, because then I would have had this backup light all ready. That bulb's dead. All right. That's probably why it didn't work in the other one. So this is like 1 ounce. I'm just gonna add a touch more of everything but the blue. Actually, this light thing's driving me nuts. I am going to go get a light bulb and I will be back. Hello, I'm back. And it wasn't the bulb. It was the, after trying numerous things, turns out that it was, I first thought it was the bulb. Then I thought it was the extension cord because the new light I plugged in didn't work. And then I put the extension cord, plugged it into a different outlet on the power strip, and it works. So obviously the outlet on the power strip failed. So there you have it. The story of light. And I don't know if I even said it, but I've got paint mixing videos you can watch. Okay. Trying to decide, I may do a little bit. Probably going to regret it. Just a little bit more. is when I go back and try and make it look all cool like the other one. This one, the colors just don't seem as bright with. It is impossible to do a painting twice. Big twist. There we go. I want it to come off the top or bottom, I guess, depending on, or side, depending on which way you're hanging it. Now I'm at a quandary about what to do on the sides. Because, well, definitely not dirty, painty fingertips. Trying to kind of fill in sides can be tricky, which is sometimes why it's nice to use those level 2 canvases with the thinner sides. Sides can be a big pain in the butt. I keep messing around. I should probably because if more of those, those had popped up like the first time, then I would have wanted to go back in again. Up. And I realized when I took this one off the shelf that I really need Michael's to have a sale on canvases soon. Because all I have like 3 canvases and a ton of MDF. But I haven't primed all that MDF, so right, I believe that I am finished with this one. I don't know, doing this one, it kind of made me think how this was how I accidentally got into kind of negative space. My first, one of my big first, and I had my husband film part of it, was I did 3 open cups and was squeezing white in between, and then they started to float away. And I think that's kind of when I came up with like the flip and drag, was by accident with those cups floating away. All right, so got super cool, I'm gonna call it sellage. I don't know what to call it. But again, I have my lines that I love. And I love the little bit of, you know, the magenta that pops up here, and then the little bits of that pop up here and there, I find really neat. Yeah, that one didn't take too long. I think it took longer for me to figure out the lighting situation. But I'll show it to you up close. Cover you so you don't get dizzy. One little blue dot. And this is what I mean, like with the edges. I had to kind of fill in, but I like the drip, and it will keep dripping off. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.